The Cassutt Special is a single-seat sport and racing aircraft that became one of the most recognizable designs in Formula One air racing. Its origins trace back to the early 1950s when American airline pilot Tom Cassutt, then working for Trans World Airlines, began developing a compact, high-performance racing aircraft. His goal was to create a lightweight, affordable airplane capable of competing in the rapidly growing Formula One racing class. The first prototype, known as Jersey Skeeter, flew in 1954. It was a mid-wing cantilever monoplane with fixed tailwheel landing gear, optimized for speed and maneuverability. Structurally, the aircraft combined a welded 4130 steel tube fuselage with fabric covering, while the wings were constructed from wood with plywood skin and spruce spars. This hybrid construction allowed for both strength and low weight, making the aircraft suitable for aerobatic stresses up to 12 G. Performance quickly proved the design's success. In 1958, Tom Cassutt piloted his aircraft to victory at the National Championship Midget Air Races in Fort Wayne, Indiana. This achievement established the Cassutt Special as a dominant force in Formula One racing for years. Its simplicity, low cost, and adaptability encouraged widespread adoption among amateur builders. Throughout the late 1950s and beyond, several variants appeared. These included the Cassutt Special 2 and 3, featuring changes in wingspan and aerodynamic refinement, as well as later models like the 3M, equipped with more powerful engines, such as the Continental O-200. Builders experimented with different wing shapes, tail configurations, including T-tails, and materials, including composite components in later years. The standard racing engine became the 100-horsepower Continental O-200, although smaller engines like the Continental A65 and C90 were also used for recreational flying. Despite some attempts to install heavier Lycoming engines, increased weight often reduced overall performance gains. For decades, plans were widely available to homebuilders, contributing to the aircraft's global popularity. The Cassutt design and its derivatives dominated Formula One racing until newer, more advanced aircraft such as the Nemesis emerged. Today, the Cassutt Special remains one of the most prolific pylon racers ever built. Many examples are still flown and constructed by enthusiasts, preserving its legacy as a practical, high-performance racing aircraft rooted in ingenuity and simplicity.